If you think your cat is affectionate in the morning just because it's hungry, you're mistaken. Cats naturally have very light sleep because they need to stay alert to monitor prey and, more importantly, predators that might attack them at night. Since your cat sees you as a large, quirky cat, it worries about you when it sees you sleeping deeply at night, thinking you won't be able to save yourself if there's danger. Therefore, it makes sure you are still alive and is very happy to see you wake up in the morning. If your cat wakes you up early, it's not to annoy you, but because dawn is the best hunting time for cats, and your cat doesn't want you to miss this important moment.